So if A 4 comma minus 6, B is 3 comma minus 2 and C is 5 comma 2 are the vertical of A, B, C, then verify that fact a median, this is our median of a triangle, this is our triangle and this is median. ABC divided into triangle of equal area. This median is divided triangle of equal area. We are going to find, let this point is O. So we are going to find median of this line. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So point of O equal to x1 plus y1 divided by 2 and x2 plus y2 divided by 2. What is our x1? x1 is 3 plus x2 is 5 divided by 2 comma x2 is 5 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2. x1 is 3 and x2 is 5, y1 is minus 2 plus y2 is 2 divided by 2. 3 plus 5 equal to 8 divided by 2 and minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. 2 4 is 8. Median of O, median of a BC equal to 4 comma 0. So we are going to find area of ABC. Area of ABC, and this is our line and this is our formula 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. And ABO, area of ABO. This is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. 1 by 2. x1 is 4, y2 is minus 2 minus y3 is 0 plus x2 is 5 into y3 x2 is 3, y3 is 0 minus y1 is minus 6 plus x3 is 4 and y1 is minus 6 minus y2 is minus 2. One by 2, 4 minus 2 and 3 plus 6 plus minus plus 2. 1 by 4, 4 2 is minus 8 plus 18 and minus 4 minus 16. 16 plus minus 8 equal to minus 24 and 18 minus 24 equal to 6 minus 6 and 2 3 is minus 6 minus 3 equal to 3 square unit. This is our area of 3, area of BOA. And next we are going to find area of AOC. Next we are going to find area of AOC. Same formula. Area of ABC, ABO equal to 3. And this is our x1, x2, y2, or this is x3, y3. 1 by 2, x1 is 4, y2 is 2 minus y3 is 2 plus x2, x2 is 5, y3 is 0 minus y1 is minus 6 plus x3 is 0, x3 is 4 and y1 is minus 6 minus y2 is 2, and solve it. 1 by 2, 4 2 is 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 into minus 8, 1 by 2, 8 plus 5 6 is 30 and minus 32. 1 by 2, 38 minus 32, 1 by 2, 6, 2 3 is 6, unit of square unit, square unit. This is the area of AOC equal to, find when median of this triangle is O and area of ABO equal to AOC. AOB equal to AOC equal to 3. Proved.